How to remove yourself from a Facebook page. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to remove yourself from a Facebook page, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar, search for facebook.com. Make sure you have opened up your Facebook page firstly. Switch to Facebook page if you are not led to Facebook page directly. Now in your home screen, you will see the option for professional dashboard in the left side panel of your screen. Tap on that. In the left side panel again, scroll down and you will see the option for page access. Tap on that. Under people with Facebook access, you will be able to see everyone who has access to your page. Tap on the three dots beside the username you want to remove. You will see the option for remove access. Tap on that. You will be asked to enter your page password. So go ahead and enter the password and then tap on confirm option. And with this, that particular account will no longer have the access to your Facebook page. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.